Oxygen is essential for life in many industrial processes, but it's crucial to understand its safety characteristics. Contrary to some assumptions, pure oxygen is not itself classified as a hazardous gas under typical safety standards. It is important to understand the difference between oxygen being a non-hazardous gas and its contribution to increasing the combustibility of other materials. Oxygen itself does not explode or ignite. However, it is a powerful oxidizer. This means it readily supports and accelerates combustion. In environments with elevated oxygen concentrations, materials that are normally difficult to burn can ignite and burn rapidly and intensely. This is why safety protocols are crucial in oxygen-rich or oxygen-enriched environments. For example, in healthcare facilities where supplemental oxygen is used, precautions must be taken to prevent fire hazards. Likewise, in industrial settings where oxygen is used in welding or other processes, proper ventilation and handling procedures are necessary. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, provides guidance on handling oxygen and other gases. Specifically, NFPA 55, Compressed Gases and Cryogenic Fluids Code, offers comprehensive requirements for the safe storage, handling, and use of compressed gases, including oxygen. It covers aspects such as container design, storage area specifications, ventilation, and emergency procedures. Although oxygen is not classified as a hazardous gas in and of itself, it is vital to be aware of the potential hazards associated with its use, particularly its ability to enhance combustion. Implementing proper safety measures, following industry best practices, and adhering to relevant standards, such as NFPA 55, are crucial to prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. It's also worth noting that different jurisdictions may have specific regulations regarding the handling and storage of oxygen. Therefore, consulting local fire codes and safety regulations is always recommended to ensure compliance. Additional considerations when working with or around oxygen include ensuring that equipment is compatible with oxygen service. Oxygen can react with certain materials, such as oil and grease, causing them to ignite spontaneously. Therefore, equipment used with oxygen must be cleaned and maintained to prevent such reactions. Static electricity can also be a source of ignition in oxygen-enriched environments. Measures to control static electricity, such as grounding and bonding, should be implemented. Furthermore, training personnel on the hazards of oxygen and proper handling procedures is essential. Employees should be aware of the potential for increased fire risk and the importance of following safety protocols. This training should cover topics such as proper ventilation, storage procedures, and emergency response. In summary, while oxygen is not classified as a hazardous gas, its strong oxidizing properties require careful handling and adherence to safety standards. Understanding the potential hazards, implementing appropriate safety measures, and training personnel are crucial to prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. Remember to consult relevant standards such as NFPA 55 and local regulations for specific requirements in your jurisdiction. Always prioritize safety when working with oxygen or in oxygen-enriched environments. The key takeaway is to remember that oxygen itself doesn't explode, but it drastically changes the combustion properties of other materials, turning even things that are normally difficult to ignite into significant fire hazards.